scientists have found the largest flower in the world. The plant Rafflesia is called monster flower or monster flower because of its strong odor and some parasitic features and large size. Scientists have recently discovered the world's largest flower in a forest in West Sumatra, Indonesia. According to CNN, the found flower is about 4 meters in diameter. It is the largest flower in the world. The Sumatra Natural Resources Conservation Center has demanded this. According to the media, the largest flower in the world bloomed in the same place in the same forest in 2016. The new flower is 4 inches wider than the one that bloomed 2 years ago. That flowering tree has no roots or leaves because they are parasitic plants. They are borne on other trees. The tree survives by absorbing water and nutrients. The Rafflesia trees can be seen as soon as the flowers bloom through the surface of the host tree. The open mouth of the flower gives off a foul odor, just like rotten meat. As a result, many people call the flower corpus flower or corpse flower. Moreover, due to the stench, many insects do not come to pollinate the flower. Meanwhile, the hog flower in size roots 7 days after birth. The owl cannot fly for his overweight. Excess body weight is not desirable for anyone. Excess fat brings such laziness. Similarly, there are many misfortunes in poet. But you know what? Weight gain affects not only human but also animals. Recently, the authorities of Suffolk Owl Sanctuary said from their Instagram account that such an owl. In England, there is the Saffron Owl Sanctuary. Works there received news from several pedestrians that an owl was stuck in a canal by the side of the road, can't fly at all. Upon receiving the news, they rescued the owl. At first, sanctuary workers thought he could not fly because of injuries to his body. However, it is wrong to test them back in the sanctuary. They saw that the owl could not fly because of the extra weight. They said the owl weighed 245 grams, which is about 3 times the weight of the other 5 healthy owls. Obesity in wild birds but does not usually occur. This incident has surprised the staff of Suffolk, so they decided to keep the owl under observation for a few weeks. During the observation, the workers let the owl eat the food of the prisoners. However, the owl is more interested in eating prey than in the food. Initially, it was thought that the owl had become so fat after eating the prey. This natural obesity of birds has created a lot of interest among researchers. It will take 8 people to turn the page of the book, a book of 348 pages. The world's largest book weighs 1,420 kg. It is 4.17 meters long, about 14 feet long, and 3.8 meters wide, about 12.5 feet wide. It takes at least 6 people to turn one page. The book contains numerous details about the atmosphere of the area, the structure and location of the scattered caves, and the terrain. Bella has also created a sort of version of the book to make it the Guinness Book of World Records. The weight of the small book is about 11 kg. Not only sound education but his alertness and dedication to are most required. Raw wooden tables and enamel skins from Argentina have been used to make the cover of the book.